Hey guys, so today we're gonna see how we can derive this general function where a, b, and c are some constant. How we can derive this function. So I just added a drawing and we're gonna derive this by the definition and get the formula by getting the definition. So first, remember the definition for any derivative. It's f of the function plus some small constant minus the function at that point, and then divided all by x plus h, which is this x minus that. Okay, so we remember this is the formula for any 2 points where we want to calculate the slope. Now I just remove this x and this x, so I just get the h and we get this formula. Okay, so f of x plus h minus f of x. Now what I did was just putting this inside. So whenever I see x, I just added x plus h, and whenever I see here, and then whenever I saw x here, I just added x. Okay, so this is the same. I just put it right here, as you can see, and here I just put it x inside each of the x's. So when I replace this with h, so I get a times x plus h, all of this squared, and then plus b times x plus h plus c. Okay, and then all of it divided by h. Now what I did was opening all the parentheses. So I opened that. Okay, and what the first thing I can see is we have b of x and b of x that can cancel out. This is the b of x, b times x, and here I also have b times x, so this cancels out. I also have c here is cancelled, c here and c here. Okay, so I also marked it in different colors, if you can see. So this b of x and this c. Anyway, so after that I opened another parenthesis, which is this parenthesis, and I got this equation. Okay, so I can see that now a times x squared and a times x squared is just went up. So I have this main thing that only left in. And now I can see I have h in all of them. So I mark the h in red. And now I can just divide everything by h. Okay? So everything just went up. It cancels out all the h, so it's 1. Know that now we're gonna have here h to the power of 1, because this is h times h. I assume you know that. Anyway, now we get into this equation. So we have 2 times a times x plus a times h plus b. And now this is where we get the limit. So we know h because we want on the function 2 points which are really close to each other. So the h will be really close to 0. So we take 2 points, for example, 5 and 5.00000001. Okay, so we have 2 points really close to each other. And then what happens, because this is really close to 0, this h really close to 0, all of this will be really close to 0. So because this is close to 0 and this is a constant, a is a constant, all a times h will be close to 0. So something that goes to 0, and this is a constant, it's only dependent on x, and this only dependent on b, which is another constant. So we get that everything is 2 times a times x times b. Okay, so this is the formula for the derivative. So this equal f tag of x, which is the exact formula. So guys, hope you liked this video to see how you actually derive a function by the definition and everything. And I hopefully everything you learn in the school or so now clicks on. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'm out.